The reflections of al-QUDDÚS in the universe and the creatures responsible for cleaning the environment by Kubra Nur Simsek. If you saw a street cleaned by a broom and if you did not see a hand sweeping it, would you believe if the whole world claimed that the broom swept the street on its own? Definitely not. Obviously, you would laugh at this claim, since the broom cannot remove dirt on its own without being used or managed by someone else. Since cleaning a small street cannot be attributed to a broom, how can cleaning the world, which is one of the streets of the universe, be attributed to causes, which are like a broom? If a person does not bathe for a month and does not clean and sweep his or her room for the same amount of time, then both the person and the room become very dirty and filthy. In the castle of this universe, there is purity, cleanliness, due to a conscious and careful cleaning process. If that constant cleaning and careful maintenance did not take place, then within 1 year, the 100,000 nations of every animal species would choke on the earth. The debris of stars in the skies would cause death, and rocks the size of mountains would rain on our heads. However, as we will see soon, this universe has been washed with manifestation of Allah's name, al-QUDDÚS, the Pure One, and its cleanliness is a mirror of His name, al-QUDDUS. Behold the seas. Every day thousands of fish die, yet you never see corpus. Behold the forests. Hundreds of thousands of animals live within them, and every day thousands are born and thousands die, yet there are no signs of filth. And look at how creatures clean themselves. See a manifestation of the name al-QUDDUS. Let's look at the animals, which are soldiers and officials of al-QUDDUS, who taught them how to clean. Upon whose commands do they act? In the seas, creatures such as sponge, sea snails, butterfly fish, angelfish, cleaner shrimp, cleaner wrasses, and orange chromite are carrying cleaners. Also on land, birds of prey such as vultures, hawks, and owls are scavengers. This means that they are carnivores that eat the remains of animals that have already died. All these sea and land creatures are ecological heroes and nature's janitors. Not only these cleaners I have mentioned, but also countless living things such as flies, crows, worms, ants, and insects, and even all red and white blood cells in the human body perform their cleaning duties by expressing the name Quddus. You might think that if a bird landed in the mouth of a crocodile, the crocodile would eat it. Well, not the Egyptian plover bird. Egyptian plovers and crocodiles have a unique relationship. It will eat the food stuck in its teeth and fly away. The plover gets a meal and the crocodile gets a valuable tooth cleaning. They both benefit. The fish in the shark's mouth is a small remora known to hitchhike on larger animals in exchange for temporary room and board. Remoras keep their hosts free of parasites, dead skin, and food scraps. As you can see here, they also feed on parasites on the shark's skin and in its mouth. This makes the shark happy because the parasites would otherwise irritate the shark. As for the remora, they receive more than convenient food source. The shark protects them from predators and gives them free transportation throughout the oceans. Have you ever seen birds sitting on the backs of some of your favorite large animals? These birds are called oxpeckers. Oxpeckers graze exclusively on the bodies of many animals, including, but not to limit to, warthogs, impalas, giraffes, buffaloes, zebras, and rhinos. Oxpeckers eat and clean ticks and other existential parasites attached to the bodies of large animals. They also feed on the wounds of these large animals. In this way, they keep those wounds clean and speed up the healing process. By the way, I should mention plants that clean the soil. Researchers have figured out specific plants that clean up certain toxins. For example, sunflowers have been used to absorb radiation of the site of Chernobyl nuclear disaster. If we see the earth washed by raindrops sent down from the sky, do we ever remember Allah by His name al-QUDDÚS? Yet, our purpose and duty is to know Allah by His beautiful names and attributes. Rain is a manifestation of the name al-QUDDUS. Similarly, the wind is also a blessing of al-QUDDUS. Thanks to them, air pollution, bad odors, and dirt on the surface of the earth are cleaned. Moreover, the eyelids are also a mirror of this name, since they clean the eyes. We are always exposed to the manifestation of the name al-QUDDUS when we breathe, in and out, since breathing cleans our blood. Look at the clean vegetables, fruits, and flowers that are extracted from the dark soil and dry branches by the virtue of manifestation of this name. Then, wishing Him to cleanse our hearts too, glorify your Creator by saying, O Quddus, O Quddus, O Quddus.